Here's something I've noticed about motorcycles in my 2.5 year career so far, and how they can be therapeutic. Whenever I get on the bike, I get this increased sense of focus coming over me. It doesn't matter what my mind was preoccupied with prior, that all gets pushed away into some little corner which I'll return to after my ride. I find myself checking my mirrors often to see what's going on behind me. I'm checking the road condition ahead for bumps, potholes. I'm also looking sideways, and also in my blind spots. I'm looking at the cars around me and how they are driving. I'm also checking my tachometer for speed, coolant temperature, and any warning lights the bike can give. I'm also listening to the sound of the engine for any unexpected sound and smells. This might sound like a cliche, but I really get to live in the moment. Other YouTubers have experienced similar experiences, and from what I can summarize, the body's primitive will to live is heightened during riding, and usable brain power is focused on keeping the rider away from danger due to the increased inherent danger of riding motorcycles compared to cars. This is just a theory, by the way. Take for example my mental state on the afternoon of Sunday 12 October 2025. I was stressed out from work and had worked during the weekend trying to catch up on overdue deliverables, and dreaded having to explain to my manager tomorrow on why the work was still not complete. At 3 p.m. I could feel my stress rising as I knew that I would not complete by the end of the day. We are currently understaffed at our office, and the executive management cannot be bothered to fill vacancies. They are looking to buy new IT systems to automate some functions in the future. So for the time being, we have to do the extra work. So I just snapped and stopped working. I mean, in as much as work is important, it's not a bad idea to stop doing whatever is stressing me out. This is the westbound section of the N14 highway heading to Krugersdorp. Here I'm inside Eagles Creek Aviation Estate, which is by the N14 highway, and as you can see, it was not busy since it is a Sunday. Sometimes I just stare into the distance and question my life decisions. the type of job I'm working, how stressful it can get for long stretches during the year, the unreasonable expectations, the daily barrage of emails and long meetings, whether it makes sense to remain in this line of work considering that I'm 30 years old and childless, and so on. I don't mean to complain about it, I'm just venting. Anyways, being on the bike allowed me to forget about work and immerse myself in something else. The motorcycle does not solve my problems. The work is still there and waiting for me, and I still have dread about tomorrow. It does, however, allow me a temporal release from everything else while remaining sober.